What if you could make money while you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with your family? The truth is, passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building systems that continue generating money long after the work is done. In this video, we'll explore 7 passive income ideas that are actually working in 2026 and can help you create multiple streams of income. 1. Dividend investing. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay a portion of their profits to shareholders. Instead of relying only on stock price growth, investors receive regular cash payments, often every quarter. Many wealthy investors use dividend stocks to create a reliable income stream that grows over time. The best part, once you've invested, your money starts working for you. 2. Index fund investing. Picking individual stocks can be risky. That's why many investors choose index funds. An index fund allows you to own small pieces of hundreds of companies with a single investment. Historically, broad market index funds have provided strong long-term returns while requiring very little effort from investors. It's one of the simplest passive income strategies available. 3. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Want to invest in real estate without buying a house? REITs make that possible. These companies own income-producing properties such as apartments, shopping centers, and office buildings. Investors receive a portion of the rental income through dividends. It's a great way to gain real estate exposure without becoming a landlord. 4. Digital products. Digital products are becoming one of the fastest-growing passive income opportunities. Examples include ebooks, templates, online courses, printables, and digital planners. You create the product once and sell it repeatedly without managing physical inventory. Many creators earn income for years from products they built only once. 5. YouTube automation, faceless. YouTube channels continue growing in popularity. Creators outsource scripting, voiceovers, editing, and thumbnail design while focusing on content strategy. As videos accumulate views, advertising revenue can generate recurring income. While it takes time to build, successful channels can become powerful, passive income assets. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves recommending products or services and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your referral link. Many bloggers, YouTubers, and content creators use affiliate programs to generate passive income. The key is promoting products that genuinely help your audience. Trust leads to clicks, and clicks can lead to commissions. 7. High-yield savings accounts. This won't make you rich, but it's one of the safest passive income options available. High-yield savings accounts pay interest on your cash balance. Your money remains accessible while earning more than traditional savings accounts. For emergency funds and short-term savings goals, it's a simple way to generate passive income with minimal risk. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect opportunity. The truth is, most passive income streams start small, a few dollars in dividends, a single digital product sale, one affiliate commission. But over time, these streams can grow into meaningful sources of income. The goal isn't to get rich quickly. The goal is to build assets that continue paying you long into the future. Start with one passive income idea today, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more personal finance and passive income content.